Hello, friends! Happy Diwali! But what is Diwali? Diwali is known as a festival of light. Every year in November, millions of Hindus and other cultures celebrate this holiday. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness or good over evil. You would decorate your house with lots of decorations. Usually, you put rangoli on your doorsteps. Rangoli is a type of art you make with colored rice, colored sand, powder, or flowers. Rangoli is used to feel strength, generosity, and the thought of bringing good luck to your household. The main thing you would decorate your house with is diyas, which are lamps. You would cover your house with lots of lamps, lanterns, and candles. The lights of the diyas will fill your home with wealth, happiness, and everything that brings you joy. The most common type of food you would eat on Diwali is sweets. This is an offering that you would lay out for gods to enjoy. Sweets are also a nice gesture to greet people, family, and friends. On this day, you would wear brightly colored traditional clothes. You would typically wear new clothes, or you would go shopping beforehand on this day to buy brand new traditional clothes. Diwali is overall a special holiday to celebrate and enjoy. If you didn't know about Diwali, I hope you gained some knowledge about it. I hope the rest of your year is filled with happiness and good wishes, as well as being safe and healthy. May good luck come your way and to you and your family. Please share this happy day and send many wishes to your family and friends. Light up someone's day by helping them during this time. This year is very difficult for people because of the virus. Spread joy and happiness to those people and bring a smile to their face. Happy Diwali and love from United Cooking.